Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we're gonna start a new chapter which is environmental chemistry of water for class 9th FBISE National Book Foundation. What is water pollution? Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies like lakes, rivers, oceans or groundwater with harmful substances. It affects the aquatic life and the human health. What are the major water pollutants? Organic waste, they come from the sewage and agriculture and they deplete oxygen. Then we have industrial waste, they include heavy metals like lead and mercury. Lead is a type of metal, a soft metal which can never rust. Fertilizers, we have nitrates and phosphates that can cause eutrophication. Then we have oil spills, they damage the marine ecosystems, and pathogens like bacteria and virus cause diseases. Now, what are the effects of water pollution? Spread of waterborne diseases like chlorella and dysentery. They cause the death of aquatic organisms due to the oxygen depletion, bioaccumulation of toxic substances in the food chain, eutrophication leads to algal blooms. Then we have the shortage of clean drinking water. Now, how can we control water pollution? We can treat sewage before their discharge, reduce the industrial waste dumping into the rivers, using eco-friendly fertilizers, controlling the spilling of oils, which can be a cause of marine life damage. Then we should create awareness about the safe water use. Now let's move on to the MCQs for environmental pollution with water. The first question states, which pollutant is mainly responsible for eutrophication? Is it nitrates and phosphates, oil, heavy metals or carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide is not responsible for eutrophication as it is responsible for the greenhouse effect. So the correct option will be nitrates and phosphates. Question number 2, which of the following is a waterborne disease? We learned that we have two types of waterborne diseases. The first is chlorella and the second is dysentery. So asthma is not a waterborne disease. Diabetes is also not a waterborne disease. So the correct option will be chlorella. Bioaccumulation occurs due to excess fertilizers, heavy metals, oil spills or sewage. So the correct option will be part B, which is heavy metals. Thank you. If you liked my lecture, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.